All right, guys, 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Turbo. This is what it sounds like before. Very quiet. Here's sound decibels again. Right at 87. One more. It is turbo. So we're gonna do a muffler delete. We'll let you guys hear it after. Hope you like it. So on this CLA, guys, how it comes in is single in, and then it duals back out on each side there and there. So we have to make a custom Y pipe for it. We'll show you what it looks like after. All right, guys, so we showed you what it sounded like before. Now we'll show you what we have done to it and made it sound phenomenal. 2018 CLA 250 Turbo. Got converter up here somewhere. There it is right there. 2.5-inch pipe out the back all the way. And then a baby resonator. Actually, it's pretty 19-inch resonator right there. Then 2.5 continues. Then we did a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see there and there, where the muffler was, because it comes in single. So we doled it out for him. Comes in single and then duals back out through the muffler. And we reuse his tips to give him that factory look, but with a lot cleaner sound. All right, so there it is right there, CLA 250. There's the muffler, that's where it goes in, single. Then it comes out right there and right there, all right? So, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Hit us up if you're ever in the area. And like always, guys, subscribe. 2018 CLA muffler delete. It's got a upgraded blow-up valve too. Much nicer, much better than quiet. There's sound decibels again. '94 again. I love that blow up. Go ahead and back it out. CLA 250 muffler delete. Sounds so much better. I like it. Here's up close. Let you guys hear on the inside. CLA 250 all blacked out. He's gonna put a matte black finish. He's gonna wrap it and bring it back. He's gonna look even sexier when he gets that done. Just a sexy car. I love Mercedes. Beautiful cars. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.